Hello everyone, myself Mr. Sourabh Suryawanshi, Assistant Professor at DTSS College of Commerce Autonomous. Welcome back. We are going to study Artificial Intelligence. In today's session, I am going to discuss something about the Pease properties of an agent. But before going for the Pease properties, let us discuss something about intelligent agent and rational agent. So, see, basically agent क्या होता है? Agent is a combination of sensors and actuator. Sensor input लेता है, actuator action perform करता है. Now, अभी intelligent agent कैसे different है? So, intelligent agent perform the action which are goal oriented. Okay. See, in this example, there is normal agent which is taking the input from the environment and performing the action to the environment. But in background, what it is doing? Okay, so first it will take the input, it will observe that input. Now the agent is having some database, some knowledge base, okay, some data. Okay, from that data, it will find the correct match for that particular input. Now it has decided the action to be performed. Okay, the agent will set its internal state to perform that action. So that is about the intelligent agent. See, in this example, the agent is touching the hot pan. Okay, now exactly क्या होता है यहाँ पे? Okay, the moment the agent is touching the hot pan, okay, the skin sensor will sense the environment. Okay, it will take the input. Okay, now the input has been taken, the input will be sent to the brain. The brain will process it. The brain will decide what action to be performed. Now, the brain has decided that the hand should be taken away from that hot pan. That particular action will be sent to the hand so that आप हाथ जल्दी से बाजू में निकालोगे. So that is the intelligent agent. Now, there are some design objectives for an intelligent agent. The first one is reactiveness. अभी reactiveness मतलब क्या होता है? So reactiveness is something that you have to perform the action in a stipulated time. See, जैसे if you are not taking your hand away in that early time, then it might be possible that you might get burned. So that is the reactiveness. Now let us discuss about the proactiveness. Proactiveness क्या होता है? जैसे for example, if you are playing the chess, then at that time you might have to face some small losses because your ultimate goal is to protect your king. Okay, your bigger goal is to win that game. So to achieve that big victory, you might have to face some small losses. So that is the proactiveness. And the last one is social ability. अभी social ability क्या होता है? जैसे the agent is performing some action in the environment. For example, automatic car driving system. There will be many cars at the same time. The agent has to cooperate with the other cars. So that is the social ability. Now let us discuss about the rational agent. So rational agent is the one that does the right things and acts rationally so as to achieve the best outcome even there is uncertainty in knowledge. जैसे, let us have one example. See, in this example, the agent or the boy is using the knife. Okay, it might be possible for the first time he might get hurt with that knife. But whenever that agent will use the knife for the next time, the agent will have the past experience. The agent will not repeat the same mistake again and again. So, this is about the rational agent. Okay, now let us start with the Pease properties. So, Pease. P stands for performance measure. E stands for environment. A stands for actuators. And the last S stands for sensors. Let us discuss one by one. So performance measure. अभी performance measure क्या होता है? So it is the function to judge the performance of an agent. In case of vacuum cleaner agent, the number of clean tiles can be your performance measure. Now let us discuss about the environment, that is your E. So in case of vacuum cleaner, the environment will be like your tiles, then dirt. It is a part of the environment. Okay, so basically जहाँ पे एजेंट एक्चुअल में एक्शन परफॉर्म करने वाला है, that real environment will be the environment for your agent. Then the next one is the actuators. Actuators are something that performs the action. Okay, in case of vacuum cleaner, the actuator can be the dirt sucker, and the last one is sensor. So sensors are something that sense the environment. It perceives from the environment. In case of vacuum cleaner, camera can be your sensor. Okay, so let us have one more example, the automatic car driving system. Automatic car driving system के लिए performance measure can be the safety, optimum speed, comfortable journey and maximized profit. See, the client is going to travel in that particular car. So, safety should be there. The journey should be the comfortable. Okay, and if we are having the car, then we will think about the profit. Okay, the car should give me a good mileage. So that will be my performance measure. The second one is the environment. The car is going to be driven at roads. So the roads will be my environment, the traffic conditions and the client. Okay, all those things will included into the environment. The third is actuators. So actuators में क्या आएगा? Your steering wheel, gear, brake, light, horns, all those things will come under the actuators. And lastly, sensors. The automatic car driving agent will have the camera, the sonar system, the GPS as a sensor. So for this lecture, we will stop over here only. In next lecture, we'll discuss the types of environment and the types of agent. Thank you.